I would watch.
Go.
The cartwheel.
Oh, that was a crash and burn.
Diamond. It's called a cartwheel, not a flip. No.
No, I told her to do a flip, but she wouldn't do it.
Oh, a flip? No.
No, like round off or something.
Okay, ready?
We're at cheer practice right now. Wait, hold the camera.
I'll do it.
Okay. It's videotaping?
Yeah, that's what I said. Do a flip. Okay. Look at my skills. No,
You always announce it before you do.
Okay, go. Alright, who are you guys?
That was crappy.
You already know my leg is turning right here.
Okay. Ready? Okay.
Here, I'll be music.
Yeah, videotape both of us.
Come on, Caleb. Let's go. Ready? I wasn't even ready. My leg hurts.
What are you doing?
What's it look like I'm doing?
You talk weird now.
That's not a nice thing to
My
say.
leg hurts. Ow. You walk like you're gonna die.
Sounds like you have some spit.
Spit falls out of your mouth really easy.
Who does?
Me?
No, she was talking.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm missing 6 girls.
This is Coach Becky.
6? Oh.
I'm just kidding. I went far away from it.
Ready? Oh, ready?
Let's see Kevin do a toe touch. Go. Go.
Oh, see, I always go like that.
Oh, you're supposed to do a toe touch.
Oh, okay.
You want to see the video now?